Now we'll discuss a problem on friction, that is body on inclined plane. The basic concept related to inclined plane problem we discussed earlier. Now we'll move to the problem. The given problem is the 500 Newton block shown in figure is in contact with a 45 degrees incline. The coefficient of static friction is 0.25. Compute the value of the horizontal force P necessary to just start the block up the incline or just to prevent motion down the incline. Here, this is the 500 Newton block. That block is placed on the incline. This incline is making an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. We have to calculate the value of P in such a way that the block just start up the incline. That is first case. A second case is just to prevent the motion down the incline. That is two cases to be covered under this problem. That is first case is just to move the block up. Second case is just stop the block to move down. In both the cases, we have to find the applied force. Now we'll write the data. Weight of the block 500 newtons. Inclination with the horizontal. That is this incline. This is the incline. Its inclination with the horizontal is 45 degrees. Here the applied force P is horizontal, that is parallel to the ground. Applied force P is horizontal, that is parallel to the ground. Here if you observe it, this inclination with the horizontal is 45 degrees, whereas P is horizontal. That means the P is going to make an angle 45 degrees inclined to the plane parallel to the incline. P is the applied force and is horizontal, and it is making an angle 45 degrees with the incline, as incline is making an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. Coefficient of friction is 0.25. Let F is the frictional force and N is the normal reaction. Then we have to find the horizontal force P. First case is just start the block up. Then in order to oppose the motion, friction acts down the incline. Second case is just prevent motion down the incline. Then friction acts up the incline. Now we'll move towards first case. That is FBD of the block when the block starts to move up. That is motion is up along the incline. Then friction always acts opposite to motion of the body. That means it is going to act here down the incline. Horizontal inclination of the horizontal is 45 degrees. Now we'll draw the block. After drawing the block, then we'll draw x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is along the incline, y-axis is normal to incline. Then we'll draw active and reactive forces on the block. Weight always acts perpendicular to the ground. Normal reaction, this is the normal reaction which is perpendicular to the incline. As we know, if the incline is making an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal, then weight force acts at angle 45 degrees with the normal. Here applied force P is horizontal. That means this force P is to be making an angle 45 degrees, a plane parallel to the incline. As with the application of the force P, the block tends to move up. In order to oppose the motion, frictional force acts down. Frictional force acts down. Now, as P as well as W are the inclined forces, I mean these are inclined these are inclined to the normal as well as along the incline. Now we'll resolve W as well as P into forces along the incline as well as normal to the incline. First we'll resolve P. Along the incline is P cos 45. Normal to the incline is P sin 45. Then we'll resolve weight force also. That is along the incline W sin 45 and normal to the incline W cos 45. Here P is the applied force and is horizontal and it is making an angle 45 degrees with the plane along the incline, as incline is making an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. That is, this incline is making an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. Now this horizontal force P is making an angle 45 degrees to the incline. Now we'll consider the equilibrium of this block, that is summation of the forces along the incline as well as summation of the forces normal to the incline are 0. First we'll consider summation of the forces normal to the incline, that is sigma Fy is equal to 0. What are the forces normal to the incline? N, W cos 45 and P sin 45 are the forces normal to incline. As upward forces are positive, downward forces are negative, then N minus W cos 45 minus P sin 45 is equal to 0. That is, N is equal to W cos 45 plus P sin 45. W value is given in the problem. After simplifying this, but we know that F is equal to mu N, mu is equal to 0.25. And substitute this mu is equal to 0.25 in the equation, that is F is equal to mu N, that is mu is equal to 0.25 and N is equal to 500 cos 45 plus P sin 45. Then F is equal to 0.25 into 500 cos 45 plus P sin 45. After simplifying that, we will get this equation. This equation to be used later. Next we'll move to the summation of the forces along the incline is equal to 0, that is sigma F of x is equal to 0. So what are the forces along the incline? P cos 45, W sin 45 and F. F is the frictional force. That is rightward forces positive, leftward forces negative. Then P cos 45 minus W sin 45 minus F is equal to 0. Then F is equal to P cos 45 minus W sin 45. W value to be substituted here. Then F is equal to 0.7071 P minus 353.55. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, we'll solve 1 and 2 equation, then we'll get P value. From 1 and 2 equations, F is equal to 88.38 plus 0.1767 P, which is equal to 0.7071 P minus 353.55. After solving these two equations, then P value is 833.358 newtons. That is, in order to push the block up, we require a force of 833.358 newtons. Next step is considering the FPD of the block, just to prevent the motion down the incline. Here the FPD is similar to the earlier case, only difference is frictional force acts up along the incline as the block tends to comes down. So frictional force acts up. Frictional force acts up. So the FBD is similar to the earlier case, only difference is frictional force acts up along the incline. Now we'll draw FBD for the second case. As I said earlier, everything is similar to the earlier case, only frictional force is the difference. As the block tends to comes down, frictional force acts up. Now we'll consider the equilibrium of this block. Now we'll consider the equilibrium of this block. Here P is the applied force which prevents the motion of the block down. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. That is forces normal to incline is equal to 0. Then n, w cos 45 and p sin 45 are the forces normal to incline. N is equal to w cos 45 plus p sin 45. Substitute w value, but we know that f is equal to mu n. Mu value is given in the problem. Then after simplifying the equation, we'll get this equation number 1. Now we'll consider the forces along the incline. Summation of forces along the incline is equal to 0. That is sigma f of x is equal to 0. What are the forces along the incline? F, p cos 45, w sin 45 are the forces along the incline. Rightward forces positive and leftward forces negative. Then p cos 45 minus w sin 45 plus f is equal to 0. Then f is equal to w sin 45 minus p cos 45. Substitute w value in this equation, that is 500 newtons. After that, simplify this equation. Then f is equal to 353.55 minus 0.7071 p. This is the second equation. After solving 1 and 2 equations, we'll get value of p, that is the applied force. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. These two equations to be solved. F is equal to 88.38 plus 0.1767 p is equal to 353.55 minus 0.7071 p. So p is equal to 265.17 by 0.8838, which is equal to 300.03 newtons. That is, p value is 300 newtons. That is, with applied force p is equal to 300 newtons, the block is on incline and just prevent the block down the incline. That's about the solution for the given problem. Thank you.